Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, let us talk about going undercover. No, not like a spy in a trench coat, though that would be cool, but on your iPhone. Welcome to the magical world of Incognito mode, or as Apple likes to call it, private browsing. But before that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open Safari. Step 2. Browsing history. Step 3. Click private. Step 4. Exit private mode. Let us dive in. Step 1. Open Safari. First, grab your trusty iPhone. If you don't have one, well, this might be a little awkward. Open Safari because we are not here to look at the weather or scroll TikTok. We've got secret business to handle. Step 2. Browsing history. See the button in the bottom right corner? It is the one with two overlapping squares. Think of it as your ticket to a secret club. Tap it, but don't worry, no password needed. Step 3. Click private. Now hit the tabs button at the center. It might say something like 3 tabs or 50 tabs. No judgment here if you have a million tabs open. Just tap it and you'll see an option that says private. Or alternatively, you can click on the 3 lines and select private. And boom, you are now in private mode. Notice the darker background? That is your iPhone saying, "Don't worry, I won't remember a thing." Cookies? Gone. History? Who is she? It is like your phone's got amnesia for everything you do here. Step 4. Exit private mode. And when you are done doing whatever mysterious things you are doing, tap the tabs button again, switch back to normal mode, and pretend like nothing happened. Your secrets are safe unless you left your phone unlocked. So whether you are shopping for surprise gifts, researching weird trivia, or just avoiding judgmental autofill suggestions, Incognito mode has your back. Now go forth and browse like the ninja you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you are always up to date with our latest content. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.